Take a ride in the 2015 Ram 1500. When the Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right, the Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, fog lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.